Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today I want to explain to you how buying new upgraded windows for your home is better for the environment. Let's go. As you may know, climate change is becoming a real issue, right? And a lot of that is due to greenhouse gases that are created by the homes, by factories. You also have issues with like exhaust from cars, and all these companies are trying to combat against this future, that they say is imminent. And the thing about windows for your home is that it's going to improve not only the home itself, but it's also going to dial back the use of your AC, which puts off greenhouse gases. So as you're running your AC unit and it's constantly running in the summer months because your windows are just letting all that fresh air out, it's just contributing to the issues of climate change and the environmental problems that we're having right now. The dual pane window system is going to trap that nice cold air that you're introducing from your AC unit into the house. So by adding new windows, by getting attic insulation, and if need be, getting insulation foam built up into your walls, that really tightens up the envelope of your home. And anything built nowadays is going to be extremely Title 24 compliant, if not better. So these new homes that they're building are all going to have extreme grade of windows. They're going to have really great insulation in the walls, attics, everything. And oh, by the way, solar. So all of this is going to help keep your home like a little capsule. And it makes it so that way the AC just doesn't run nearly as much. That saves you money on your bill. If you get solar, it's all around good. This is just one of those things where I do get asked, well, I mean, what's the benefit of these windows, when it comes to like the environment? Well, that, and then also windows that we take away from the home, whether they're aluminum, the glass, we take that and we take it to a recycle place where they separate everything and then materials get recycled. So, I mean, they get creative with how they recycle the materials that we're giving to them. It's an all-around great transaction. So I just wanted to make this video to kind of help, people understand who don't really understand the windows and, how their home can be effective against heat, in the summer months, or even cold in the winter months. Now you're heating your house. You don't want all that nice warm air blowing out and you're getting those cold drafts from the old windows. I've always said that windows are the weakest part of your home because it's glass. Infrared light comes in from the sun. To get the best package, start with your windows, work on everything else from there, and then you realize how tight the envelope of your home can become. Sorry for the long-winded message. Hopefully this helps out. If you have any questions, reach out, AmericanWindowConcepts.com. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.